Here's a very good Java interview question. What is reentrant lock in Java? Reentrant lock is an explicit lock mechanism from Java util concurrent package. It provides more flexibility than synchronized blocks. It supports features like try lock, fairness policy, and interruptible locks. Interviewers expect comparison with synchronized keywords. Here's a very common question related to Java multithreading. What is countdown latch in Java? Countdown latch is a synchronization aid that allows threads to wait until a set of operation complete. It is initialized with count value. Threads call await to wait and countdown to decrease count. Interviewers expect a use case explanation. This is very tricky Java multithreading question. What is cyclic barrier in Java? Cyclic barrier allows multiple threads to wait for each other before proceeding. Unlike countdown latch, it can be reused. It is useful in parallel processing tasks. Interviewers expect comparison between countdown latch and cyclic barrier. A very good and common Java interview question. How does completable future chaining work? Completable future supports chaining using then apply, then compose, and then accept. It allows non-blocking asynchronous workflows. Then compose is used for dependent async calls. A streaming related Java interview question. What is parallel stream in Java? Parallel streams allow processing elements concurrently. They use ForkJoinPool internally. They improve performance for CPU bound tasks. Interviewers expect discussion about when not to use them. This Java interview question is about memory management. What is difference between soft and weak references? Soft references are cleared when memory is low. Weak references are cleared during garbage collection. Both are used for memory sensitive caching. Interviewers expect understanding of garbage collection behavior. This Java interview question is about garbage collection. What is phantom reference in Java? Phantom reference is used to track object finalization. It works with reference queue. It does not prevent garbage collection. Interviewers expect mention of cleanup operations. Java interview question related to Java 8. What are common mistakes while using optional in Java? Using optional as a field is discouraged. Calling it without checking presence causes exceptions. It should be used as return type, not for serialization. Interviewers expect best practice explanation. Interview question related to collection. What is concurrent skip list map in Java? Concurrent skip list map is thread safe sorted map. It is based on skip list data structure. It provides better scalability than synchronized tree map. Interviewers expect use case explanation. Java interview question related to memory management. What causes memory leaks in Java? Memory leaks occur when objects are no longer needed but still referenced. Common causes include static collections and unclosed resources. Proper profiling tools help detect leaks. Interviewers expect real-world examples. Java interview question related to garbage collection. What are GC routes in Java? GC routes or garbage collection routes are objects that are always reachable. Examples include static fields and active threads. Garbage collector traces from garbage collection routes to determine live objects. Interviewers expect explanation of reachability. This is threading related Java interview question. What is fork join pool in Java? Fork join pool is designed for divide and conquer tasks. It uses work stealing algorithm. Parallel streams use it by default. Interviewers expect explanation of work stealing. A core Java interview question. What is method reference in Java? Method reference is a shorthand notation of lambda expressions. It uses double colon syntax. It improves reliability of functional code. Interviewers expect practical examples. A very rare but very important Java interview question. What is record class in Java? Record is a special type of class introduced in Java 14. It is used for immutable data carriers. It automatically generates equals, hash code, and two-string methods. Interviewers expect explanation of the benefits of this class. Here is a core Java interview question. What is sealed class in Java? Sealed classes restrict which class can extend them. They provide better control over inheritance. They are useful for domain modeling. Interviewers expect you to mention the use of permits keyword. Here's a very good Java interview question. What is switch expression in Java? Switch expression returns a value. It uses arrow syntax. It reduces boilerplate code. Interviewers expect a difference from traditional switch. A multi-threading Java interview question. What are virtual threads in Java? Virtual threads are lightweight threads introduced in Project Loom. They allow high concurrency with low overhead. They are managed by JVM instead of OS. Java 8 related Java interview question. Why is optional preferred over returning null? Optional forces explicit handling of absence. It reduces risk of null pointer exception. It improves code readability. Interviewers expect design perspective explanation. Here's a core Java interview question. How does copy on write array list work? It creates a new copy of array on modification. Reads are fast and do not require locking. It is suitable for read heavy workloads. Interviewers expect trade-off explanation. Here's a very common Java interview question. What is supplier interface in Java? Supplier is a functional interface that returns a value. It does not take any input parameters. It is used in lazy evaluation. Interviewers expect you to provide simple example. Here's a Java 8 interview question. What is predicate interface in Java? Predicate is a functional interface that returns a boolean. It is commonly used in filtering operations. It has methods like and, or, and negate. Interviewers expect usage example.